You may think I'm happy.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Red YTP Engine YTP compilation. Thank you so much for all the support you've been giving me. Now, before we start the video, I'd like to give a couple of shoutouts as a way of saying thank you for 100 subscribers. The first person I'd like to give a shout out to is Blue Bear Gaming. They create quality content almost every day, and have over 300 videos for you to enjoy, so I would recommend subscribing and helping them get to 100 subscribers. The next person I'm going to give a shout out to is Thirsty. They are getting their start on their channel, but is worth subscribing to. Links to both channels will be in the description. Thanks for 100 subscribers, and I hope you enjoy the YTP compilation.
I shouted out, how'd you know I'm a he?
Hurry, hurry, come on.
Come on, stop being a nuisance.
All right, don't fuss grumble, but you poop, poop, poop. I'm tired of pushing Edward. I want to see the world. Night after night, Edward kept the other engines awake.
I think you know what I mean.
Thomas didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long coupling.
I think you know what I mean.
Bother! I'm tired of those poop, poop, poop. All right, don't fuss. Oh, wait. Poop, poop, poop. Wait. All right, don't fuss. Thomas was feeling very proud of himself, but the trucks grew crosser and crosser. Bother. All right. Steady now, steady. Warn the poop, poop, poop. He began to put on the brakes. We're stopping, called Thomas. So much walking, if I so scared them was the negative. No. Answered the trucks bumping into each other. Go on. Before the poop, poop, poop could stop them, they had pushed Thomas down the hill and were rattling and laughing. If Helen was behind him, and Edward was behind him. Bother those poop, poop, poop. Hurry, come on.
Stop being a nuisance.
All right, don't fuss grumble, but poop, poop, poop. It was Christmas on Christmas Island. All the engines were hard.
I think you know what I mean.
Bother! All right, don't fuss grumble, but poop, poop, poop. Everyone was complaining. It's always the same before Christmas, they groaned. We feel so Oh, come on, said Thomas. Where's your spirit? Christmas Day is almost here. By the side of the track was a lonely little cock. Lol. It's Mrs. King, whistled Thomas. Peep, peep, happy Christmas. Oh, Thomas, you were pushed by Edward. Bother. When work was over, Thomas went to see the other engines. All their coats had been polished. Ha, said Gordon. Ha. Bother. Just look at us. Your driver will have to get you as smart as us. Never mind that, replied Thomas. I've something important to say. Do you realize it's a whole year since Edward pushed the... Mrs. Kindly saved us from a nasty accident. You remember when she was ill in bed and...
I think you know what I mean.
Yes, of course, interrupted Edward. You told us how she waved her red dressing gown out of her window to warn you about a lance snarl at her head. And you and Toby gave her presents, Percy joined in. And the Fat Controller sent her to Christmas Island to get better. But, said James and Henry together, the rest of us have never thanked her properly. Exactly, bother, said Thomas. So now I think we should all give her a special Christmas boop, boop, boop. Everyone was getting very excited, and the drivers felt sure that the Fat Controller would agree, as indeed he didn't. The weather's changed badly. Mrs. King is up. Toby says he'll help to rescue her. You must help too, Thomas. There's no party unless you do. Thomas hated the Fat Controller. Thomas charged the snowdrifts fiercely. Sometimes he swept them aside, sometimes they stuck fast, and the men had to loosen them.
I think you know what I mean.
But at the cutting near the cottage, they could go no further. Look at that, exclaimed Thomas's fireman. I've just come on, Thomas. Peep, peep, peep. Here we are, whistled Thomas. An answering wave came from an upstairs window. Off, Thomas. Bother. Then they heard a familiar sound. That's Terence, said Thomas. He's come. Sure enough, Terence was working hard to clear a path to the railway line in safety. The engines made good time. No more snow had fallen, but the yard was dark. Thomas's heart sank. Suddenly, all the lights went on. What a marvelous sight awaited Mrs. King. Well done, said the Fat Controller. I'm really proud of you. Boop, boop, boop. Mrs. King especially thanked the smaller engines.
I think you know what I mean.
Thomas and Toby are all friends, she said. And now, Edward, you are my friend too. Edward was very pleased. 3 cheers for Mrs. King, he called. Peep, peep, peep. They all whistled.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thomas the Tank Engine and his friends thought it was the best Christmas ever, and Mrs. King could think of nowhere she would rather live than here with them on Christmas Island. Oh, Thomas, you were pushed by Edward. Bother.
Sam is the hero next door, driving down the busy street, people that he meets. Someone could be in a jam. He's always on the scene. Man Sam and his engines bright and clean. Man Sam you cannot ignore. Sam is the hero next door.
Nice. Hello!
Oh, not another boop, boop, boop.
I'm okay. Don't worry about it.
And off we go.
Hurry, hurry, come on.
Come on.
Can I have a drink? I want some crisps.
Once, an engine attached to Edward was afraid of...
Michael Rosen.
Shut up! It's not funny. Shut the f*** up! It's not funny.
Bother. The engine's name is Hen. His driver and fire argued with him, but he would not move. Move. The rain will spoil my lovely rain and red rain.
Silence! Right, Michael Rosen. No.
Poop, poop, poop.
Ding.
It's Mrs. King. Hen, and
Michael Rosen.
the guard blew till he had no more breath and waved his coupling till his arms ached. But Hen still stayed in the tunnel and blew steam at him. I'm not going to spoil my lovely rain for you. Will you? Then along came Sir Atom Top, the man in charge of all the engines on Christmas Island. They call him the controller. We will pull your coupling out, said the fat controller. But Henry only blew steam man at him. Bother. Everyone except the fat controller. Because he said, my doctor has forbidden me to. But still Hen stayed in the tunnel. Then they tried from the other end.
Nice.
The fat controller said, 1, 2, 3. But he didn't help. My doctor has forbidden me to, he said. They pushed and pushed. At last Thomas came on. Hen. The guard waved his coupling. Everyone argued with Hen. Look, Thomas stopped, they said. Yes, but it will begin again soon, said Henry. And what would become of my green paint with red stripes then? Thomas pushed and pushed as hard as ever he could. Still Henry stayed in the tunnel.
Okay.
Eventually, even the controller gave up. We shall take away your coupling and leave you here for always and always and always.
And always and always. And always and always.
All he could do was watch the trains through the other tunnel. He was hen because he thought no one would ever see his lovely paint again. As time went on, Edward and Gordon would often pass by. Edward would say, peep, peep.
Hello.
And Gordon would say, poop, 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 sis, 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 sis. Poor Henry had no steam to answer. His fire had off. Sus had spoiled his lovely green paint and red stripes anyway. He wondered if he would ever be allowed to Thomas again. But I think he deserved his punishment. Don't you? Will you?
Silence!
Okay.
Hello.
Shut the up. It's not funny. My doctor has forbidden me to.
Here's Josh. Hello.
Off.
Go, go! Go, Web!
Go!
Fly! Up, up, and away, Web!
Pizza time.
Shazam! Go! Go! Go, Web, go!
Tally ho ho, tally tally ho 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 ho.
You serious?
Go, go!
Ha! Ha! I blow. Then into the mouth. Cock.
Whoa! Is up, Drum Alert Nation? Kill yourself! Whoa, 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 whoa! Fuck you! Whoa, drummer! I'm your meme sauce. Let's go into the news. I hate everything. Suze.
Hello!
Nice. Plums. Michael Rosen.
All right, state your name and power. I am the next. Yeah, I am the waffler. With my riddle of just, I bash the enemy in the head, or I burn them like so. Next. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Right. Yes, thank you. I'd say there's potential. Next. Yeah.
Somebody wants to tell me.
Tortellini!
I ain't the dumbest tool in the tool shed. She was looking at my cock with her finger. And then my name on her head. Well, the years start coming and coming and coming, and they don't stop coming and coming and coming, and I'll say you clown. That didn't make sense not to live. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets dumb. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with these things in the back streets? You'll never know my secret identity. Somebody know me. Whoa. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Go. The shit get paid. Only shooting stars break those game hearts and windshield. They say it gets the meme. I said yeah. What a car! I could use a little car, a little change. Hey now, you're an all-star.
Hey everybody, it's me.
Michael Rosen. No.
Okay.
Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse?
Nope.
Well, all right. Let's. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words.
Follow the damn train, CJ.
Say it with me.
Follow the damn train, CJ.
What are you doing in my swamp?
Big Smoke.
In my swamp!
Daisy! Goofy! Mickey!
Clubhouse, come inside, it's fun inside. Say, you want to talk,
Whatever Homeworld has in store for me.
You may think I'm happy, you may think I'm sad, you may think I'm crazy, you may think I'm mad, but hang on to your seats and listen right here. I'm gonna tell you something that'll burn your ear. A hip hop hat. I'm giving you